Okay. Here's my first beehive removal of the season. Trying to get it so you can see this I'm about to take off. In fact, I wonder if I can put this right in here so you can watch. Hope that works. Pretty cool. Pretty cool if it did. Alright, I have smoked them. Let's just prying this electrical thing off. Quite annoying. So it's open. It's fucking go time, dude. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Check it out. Check this out. Ooh, that's heavy. Ooh, it's stuck. Holy shit. You see that? It's a big ass hive. It's a big ass hive. Nice one. Nice one, buddy. Okay. Just gonna let you keep all your stuff. Put you in over here, okay? Let's get you out of here and send you all on your way. Oh my gosh. You guys have somewhere to go. To a farm. Ooh, smell them. They're mad. They're super pissed, actually. Aw. It's the babies. Lots of babies. Would like to find the queen, but sometimes that's hard. Let's get these guys out of here. Oh, there's no honey. Not at all. Not even a little bit. Feed in the 5,000. Not too old of a hive, I guess. Here's some older comb back here. This thing is stuck. Ah, sorry. Sorry. Just go home. Sorry. Whoa. Alright, the queen's totally, I think, over there. Or maybe here. Look at those two. What's going on over here? What's going on over here? Super pretty. Look at all the drones. The drones are so funny looking to me. Stupid eyes. Stupid little bug eyes. Trying to squish anyone. There's one single beetle in there. That's funny. Let's see what they're doing. And dingle dangle. Okay. Well, and that's that.